Next, we select the outline and set it to the carpet area layer. This carpet area outline is the outline of the space that is usable inside the living space. Next, we go to layers, select the door layer. These are the outlines available for the door. We select all of them and put them in the door layer. Here, as we can see in the drawing, all the doors of the rooms are being selected accordingly, and now we go to layers, we go to the door layer and place all the selected rectangles in the door layer. If the drawing does not have pre-existing rectangles, you can always set them using polygons. Next, we go to insert, we go to door. We name the door as D1, D2 or depending on the label of the door. Here we label it as D. Then we give the width, depth and height of the door. We press OK and we select all the door polygons to give them the label. We have the option for multiple selection of door labels. We can also change the name variably according to the desired door. Now we selected 11 doors and we pressed OK to get the labels of the doors. We have to make sure that all the labels have the properties matched, and we reduce the size and scale of it to have the text comfortably inside the desired polygon. Next, we select the window polygons and the ventilator polygons one by one, making sure that we select all of them. If we do not have pre-existing rectangles for windows and ventilators, we have to make them using rectangle or closed polygons. We select all of these and go and place them in the window layer. As it is being shown in the video, we select all the polygons first and then we place them in the layer. Now, we go to Preval menu bar, we go to Insert, we go to Window, then we name the window according to our convenience. Here we take it as W, we enter the width, the depth and the height of the window and press OK, and we select all the window polygons that we want that have these properties. Always remember that the windows and the ventilators are in the same layer. Press enter as it is shown in the video to get the window label. Next, to mark the ventilators, we go again to insert, select window. This time we name it as W. And enter the dimensions. This windows we are using to mark the balcony windows given in the plan. Now we select the balcony windows. Here we are choosing W, but we can choose to name them anything according to the convenience of the design. Always remember to scale the text for the visual context or convenience. Next, we select the ventilators. We go to Preval, Insert, we go to Window, but this time we use the label as V. We enter the width, depth and height of the ventilators and press OK. we select all the outer polygons of the ventilators that were already placed in the window layer. We selected the polygons of all ventilators. Press enter to get the number of ventilators selected and the label inside the polygon. Now we go to Preval, assign name, passage name. Name the passage as passage and width of the passage here, and we select the polyline outline. Now we have the dimension of the passage. Now to label the built up area outline, and the carpet area, we go to Preval, we go to mark. First we select carpet area. We go to undo marking default. Or split it tenement depending on the convenience of the drawing or the way you want to label it. Here we select split it tenement and then we mark it in the drawing. Always make sure that the arrows are inside the polygon of the drawing. Next, we use the same technique to make the entire floor plan of the next floor, the way we used the rooms, the passage, the staircase, lift, windows, ventilators, as well as the doors. All the layers that are being shown right now are in the 0 layers. But to see the layers that we just drew, we go to Tool, Show Only Preval Layers, All Preval Layers. This only shows us the entire set of Preval layers only. Now, to see all layers, we just do all layers. Now we are copying the entire set that we did before to put it onto the next layer. This is a shortcut, but you can choose to do the entire thing again. Now we select the mortgage area polygon and we put it in the mortgage area layer. To mark it, we go to mark, we select mortgage area, we select built up area to mortgage and mark the outline and press OK to get the label. Make sure that all the arrows are inside the polygon. Next, we go to the next floor, that is the terrace floor. We go to the terrace floor outline, select the outline and place it in the terrace floor. Now we go to Preval. We match the properties of the label of the terrace, or you can choose to take it M text and assign it accordingly. Next, you go to the accessory use, select rectangle and mark the outline for the water tank. You can choose to select all the staircase and lift elements, copy them from the previous floors and paste it onto the terrace floor as it is being shown in the video. You can always choose to redraw the entire set if you are unsure of copying. You can always edit the labels from here or select them from Preval mark as well. Next, we go to the left layer, select polygon and mark the lift machine room. Next we go to Preval. We go to mark. We select lift. We select lift machine room option and select the polyline to get the label. To mark the overhead water tank, we go to Preval, mark, accessory use. And we select overhead water tank to give it the label. Now that all the elements are marked, we are done with the assigning and the marking.